man, Baba Kabalen. Welcome to Obra Maestro Resort and Events Place. For this vlog, samahan niyo po ako. I want to tour of this place, this amazing staycation dito po sa Lubao, Pampanga. Let's go! Alright, so yun nga guys, again, welcome to Obra Maestro Resort and Events Place. Dito po sa may Lubao, Pampanga. So all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga, it took me around 45 minutes to come here, and tignan nyo naman ang ating staycation for today. Actually guys, before we go there, gusto ko munang ipakita sa inyo itong napakalawak na kanilang front lawn. This is a resort and events place because you can actually hold your occasions or events dito. You can have like birthday, christening, anniversary, reunions. Napakalawak po na kanilang front area. Up until 50 packs, actually kasyang-kasya dito. So right after nung open area nila or yung front lawn, unang bubungad sa atin ang kanilang swimming pool. Now this, for me, it has a size of medium to large. Siguro depth natin dito is up until 4 feet. Dito rin sa section na to is the gazebo, in which you can actually have like some decoration. Dito nyo siguro lalagay yung mga birthday decoration ninyo or anniversary decoration, whatever you wanna decorate this one. This is the gazebo, and the main villa is actually this one. So meron tayong 2 floors. The first floor is actually for the living area, the kitchen, indoor dining, and then the second floor is yung dalawang rooms. Okay, so siguro puntahan muna natin yung dalawang rooms. Pakita ko sa inyo, tara. So yun guys, coming into the first room, in terms of capacity, this is actually the bigger one. So notice, meron tayong dalawang bunk beds, tsaka pull out. All in all, this room can accommodate up until 12 persons. This is already air conditioned. Meron din tayong sariling toilet and bath, which is this one. And look at this vanity mirror. Nice! Now coming into the second room, for me, I think this is considered as the master's bedroom. Although meron tayong dalawang bed dito, this can accommodate up until 6 person. Meron din tayong pull out dito, and then it has its own toilet and bath din. Add ko lang guys, so dito sa second floor, ito yung vantage point natin. So if you're standing here, you can actually have a view of the entire front lawn. So imagine having your occasion there, tinitignan mo na lang mga bisita. At ayun guys, so pagkatapos natin na view yung second floor, which are the bedrooms, let me tour you naman dito sa first floor. So this is the common area slash living room slash indoor dining. Dahil dito nga guys, you have your entertainment spot, so you can watch your Netflix or do video okay dito sa LCD screen na to. We also have a countertop table dito. You can prepare some of the food. And then dito guys, we have this long table, good for 8 siguro. Now you can have your indoor dining here. Guys, so last part of the tour is the back area. So dito guys, located yung ating dirty kitchen as well as outdoor toilet and bath natin. At the same time, ito ring outdoor dining area. So notice, napaka-presko nito. Very perfect if you're gonna have like, you know, coffee or actually mga food, pwedeng kumain dito. what a way to end the vlog with our co-sponsor dito sa vlog na to. Thank you so much, Chix bro, at saka Ziosa for sending us at matikman natin dito po sa Obra Maestro sa Lubao, Pampanga. So if you're interested to taste this one, again, check out the fan page. We'll be including dun sa caption. And yeah, tikman na natin to. Kanina pa ako naglalaway actually. So, ayun nga guys, this is how it looks like paggabi dito sa may Obra Maestro Resort and Events Place. Let's talk about the prices. During the weekdays, 13,000 pesos lamang po ang rent for the entire place. During weekends and holidays, 15,000 pesos naman yon. If you wanna have your events here, you can actually rent the front lawn or yung open area for 5,000 pesos, only good for 50 packs. Yung mag-staycation naman dito sa villa natin, good for 18 up until 20 person. Pwede po yan. So, there you have it guys. I'm gonna enjoy this one. If you're interested to know more about Obra Maestro, check out the fan page. We're gonna be including in the caption below. Thanks so much for watching. We're in Pampanga until our next discovery. Sana po makita ko kayo dito. Peace out. Bye guys.